OG Big T here. This is the Foxy, right? We already know that it's a bucket of rust. You guys have got to see this. This is like the most comical thing in the world, right? So I went ahead and took out all the case screws and took out what's the clutch. Found the spring in there. Didn't find the shim, but I found the spring. Took off the points and stuff like that. Cracked it. I already cracked it open, but you guys have got to see this. This is too goddamn comical. You ready? Dun dun dun. I think that there has been a little bit of water here. And so what I was doing yesterday, when I was trying to pop the jug off of the piston, I was noticing that there was space here between here and the case, but I could see the piston wasn't sliding in and out of the jug. So I said I better be careful because I'm probably pulling the rod away from the crank, right? So let me not try and knock the jug off anymore. Let me open this up and see what's going on. And I started getting a bunch of sediment and stuff on the table. And so then I took the screws out, 10 screws on the bottom, and this is insane. How interesting, because the clutch is oily, you know, so it's had some oil in there, the gear and stuff like that, but the crank, it must have just been sitting in water for so long. So I'm going to put this away, and I'm going to just spray it with some PB Blaster, and I'm going to leave it the hell alone for a while. So even if I can get the crank freed up, right, I might be able to. I don't know. Maybe it needs a new bearing in there. I don't know. I'm not an expert, but you know, maybe it needs something. Maybe just a little WD-40 and it'll spin right up. But the big thing is going to be, how am I going to get this piston out of this jug? But really what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put some PB Blaster and let it sit for a while. You know, this is such a fun experiment here because I have nothing to lose. You know, I bought this thing for 75 bucks and I have nothing to lose. This is like a medical student playing with a cadaver, kind of. Wow. OG Big T over and out.